Welcome to the online public information meeting for the bridge replacement project on Iowa 48 over Red Oak Creek in Red Oak, Iowa. The bridge replacement project is located on Iowa 48 over Red Oak Creek in Red Oak. During this online public information meeting, we want to share why we are proposing this project, explain the work that is being proposed, and share information that may impact your travel during construction. We want to gather information from the participants so we can finalize our design and work with property owners and motorists in the area. In order to construct the project, there will be some right-of-way needs and some temporary easements. The original bridge was constructed in 1918. It was reconstructed in 1951. A new deck was placed on the bridge in 1982, and a retaining wall repair project was completed in 2005. The bridge has reached its useful life and is in need of replacement with a wider, more modern bridge. The proposal is to maintain the traffic across the bridge during construction. There is a lack of good detours in the area to move traffic off of the bridge during construction without long out of the way travel. The plan is to construct the new half of the bridge while keeping traffic on the existing bridge. Once the new portion is built, traffic will be shifted to the new portion while the old bridge is being removed and reconstructed. As mentioned, the proposal is to construct the new bridge while maintaining traffic on the existing bridge. Some right-of-way and temporary easement are needed to construct the new bridge. Right-of-way is shown in blue, temporary easement is shown in brown. The areas where right-of-way or temporary easement are needed are identified on this slide. Once the online public meeting has concluded and the comments have been received, a right-of-way agent will contact you and do an appraisal. Once the appraisal has been done, negotiations and offers will be made for the right-of-way and temporary easements. The parcel checklist does not have a column for permanent easement for utility purposes for parcels 2 and 3. Once the public information meeting has been concluded, we will address comments received. Right-of-way agents will begin meeting with property owners regarding right-of-way and temporary easements. We will complete the final design. The project is scheduled for December 16, 2025 letting. The contract will be awarded to the contractor and work shall begin and be completed in 2026. Thank you for your participation. For more information or to provide comments, you can contact me, Scott Sewer, District Transportation Planner, at scott, S-C-O-T-T, .sewer, S-U-H-R, at iowadot.us, or by phone at 712-243-7627.